Guys, welcome to today's video, and in this video we'll be doing the chess package in Python. Like we'll be learning the whole chess package, and in this video we'll be doing the basics, like the whole basics which you'll be knowing about the chess package. Then we'll do certain openings like the E4 opening, D4 opening. Yes. The first one we're going to do is going to import chess. If you have this package, yes. And here's one more thing, you have to be using Jupyter Notebook, else it won't work. And in case you don't believe me, then you can just check it out for yourself. But you can use Visual Studio's Jupyter Notebook, which is IPYNB, the Jupyter Notebook save on Visual Studio Code, and on Jupyter Notebook it is like IPYNB, it's like already done. So first, after we do import chess, we import is equal to chess. Let's see if this is correct, and it is. And chess is not like this import chess. This chess package is not like gonna be there when you install. Like like when you install it, then this is not like a pre-installed one. You have to install this, and the PB link could be in the description and the code which you will be writing about at terminal. So here board is equal to chess.board and board, then board dot push underscore sack, because that's how we move the pieces. E4. So now let's see. Oh wait, this shows code. What is it? Now let's see. We do board. Oh, so it's not showing that the paper. Or because I haven't completed the move somehow. But first, let's just see if we have a chessboard. I think we have done something wrong. Just go to the image, and yes, finally, look, we have a chessboard in front of us, which we cannot move, but it is a good image. Now let's try board brackets, and the chessboard has moved it. Now we can try simply some combinations, and yes. So what is this E4 and all? So mainly these are the notations in the chessboard. For example, E4, D4, C6. We have our notations here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and then here we have our numbers, like the coordinates. And we can even save our image like PDF, or I think we have different mode, like SVG or PDF. Yes, this is the basic video on how to, our basic video of how we can use this package. Or just to tell, we can end one more, like a finish our video. E4, E5, and we have it here. Then in the next video we'll be doing the openings, the E4 openings. We will do like half of it or some full. But yes, so yes, that's all I would like to say for today's video. And next video we'll be doing E4 openings, like I just told. And in case you have any doubts, you can ask on the Discord server, it's in the description. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share to your friends, and in case you're like a chess guy, then you have to watch the series if you like Python and chess. And the last thing what I would like to say is that Ian also have a chess club, so you can join that. So yes, that's all for today's video. I'll meet you in the next one with the E4. So yes, thank you for watching.